So there's a lot of questions made about how, since CO2 is a fertilizer, plants respond to increased CO2 by increasing their growth. We can look on this as a way out of the changing CO2 concentrations in the atmosphere. If we increase the CO2 by burning fossil fuels, then the forest will take up more CO2 and we'll offset some of that problem. Unfortunately, it's not quite as simple as that. So here on the forest edge, we have a situation where these leaves are well illuminated, they've got a lot of sunlight, they're well watered, the ground is quite wet here, where we are right now. And so yes, if you increase the CO2 here, this leaf will increase its photosynthesis, there'll be more sugar available to be converted into woody biomass in its stem and trunk. The trouble is, further into the forest understory and in the forest canopy, there's other things limiting. There's light limitation, there's nutrient limitation, there's water limitation. Here in the tropics, here in Panama, we have a very seasonal wet and dry season, which means that there's, at various times in the year, severe water limitation, that will dictate the rate of which the plants are able to photosynthesize and which they're able to store this CO2. So we may not be seeing the CO2 fertilization effect that we sometimes talk about all the year round.